Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 17 incredible ways to travel the world for free or at a fraction of the cost. Real ways to get out there and see the world, hustling, experiencing new cultures, and making your travel dreams a reality, even if your bank account is thin. Let's get started. First up, get a job overseas. You're getting paid to live in a new country. That covers your rent, food, and daily expenses. Plus, you're immersed in the culture, meeting new people. Teach English, work in a hostel, bartend, endless possibilities. Find a job that aligns with your skills and passions. Working abroad is the ultimate travel hack. Ever heard of being an air courier? This is seriously next-level travel hacking. Airlines often need to ship packages quickly, and that's where you come in. You basically become a human delivery service, flying with the package in your luggage. In exchange, you get heavily discounted or even free flights. Talk about a win-win. Okay, this one is for the truly adventurous hitchhiking. Yes, it's old school, but it's still a viable option for free travel, especially in certain parts of the world. It's not just about the free ride, it's about the people you meet, the stories you hear, and the unpredictable nature of the journey. Obviously, safety is paramount, so research your route, travel with a buddy if possible, and trust your gut. Hitchhiking is a truly unique way to experience a country. Volunteering is a fantastic way to travel for free while making a difference. Organizations need help with building schools, conserving wildlife, or teaching English. In exchange, you often get free accommodation and meals. Plus, you connect with the community on a deeper level. Choose a cause you're passionate about for a rewarding experience. Give back and get so much more in return. Couchsurfing is all about connecting with locals and experiencing a destination like a resident, not a tourist. You basically stay on someone's couch, or sometimes in a spare room, for free. It's a great way to meet new people, get insider tips, and experience the local culture firsthand. Safety is key, so read reviews, communicate clearly with your host, and trust your instincts. It's a chance to create lasting friendships and experience a destination in a truly authentic way. House sitting is an amazing way to score free accommodation. People on vacation need someone to watch their house and pets. You get a free place to stay, and they get peace of mind. It's perfect for longer-term travel, letting you explore at your own pace. Dedicated websites connect homeowners with house sitters. Experience a destination like a local without spending a dime. Work exchange programs like Workaway and HelpX are a game changer for budget travelers. You exchange your skills for free lodging and food. It could be anything from farming and gardening to teaching English or helping with a family business. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in a new culture, learn new skills, and meet incredible people. Browse through the listings, find something that sparks your interest, and reach out to the hosts. The rewards are immense, both personally and culturally. It's the dream, right? Create travel content to fund your travels through sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. Share your adventures and build a community around your passion. With consistent effort, turn your love of travel into a career. It requires hard work, creativity, and a genuine passion. Camping is a budget-friendly travel option, especially if you're exploring nature. Pitch a tent, sleep under the stars, and wake up to breathtaking views. It's a simple way to connect with nature and escape city life. Camping isn't just about saving money, it's about experiencing nature's raw beauty. Many cities offer tourist cards that provide free or discounted entry to museums, attractions, and public transportation. These cards can save you a ton of money, especially if you're planning to pack a lot of sightseeing into your trip. It's a smart way to maximize your budget and experience more for less. These cards often offer additional perks like discounts at restaurants or shops. It's a simple but effective way to stretch your travel budget and make the most of your trip. Cultural exchange programs are an incredible way to immerse yourself in a new culture and live like a local. These programs often involve staying with a host family, learning the language, and participating in local activities. It's a truly enriching experience that goes beyond typical tourism. These programs can be free or very affordable, depending on the specific organization and destination. It's a chance to step outside your comfort zone, embrace new experiences, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Ride-sharing is a great way to split travel costs, especially for road trips. Connect with other travelers heading in the same direction, and share the expenses of gas and tolls. It's not just about saving money, it's also a fun way to meet new people and share the adventure. Platforms like BlaBlaCar connect drivers with passengers, making it easy to find ride-sharing opportunities. It's a smart and social way to explore new destinations. Embrace the local scene. Most cities offer a plethora of free events, from festivals and concerts to markets and outdoor movie screenings. Check local listings, ask around, and be open to spontaneous adventures. It's a fantastic way to experience the local culture and have fun without spending a dime. These events offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of a destination. It's all about embracing the unexpected and immersing yourself in the local culture. Teaching English abroad is a popular way to travel and earn a living. Many countries have a high demand for English teachers and offer free accommodation. Share your knowledge, immerse in a new culture, and make a difference. Research, choose a destination, and prepare for a life-changing adventure. Woofing, or worldwide opportunities on organic farms, is a unique way to travel and experience sustainable living. You exchange work on an organic farm for free food and accommodation. Get your hands dirty, learn organic farming, and connect with nature. Woofing is available worldwide, from small family farms to larger projects. Learn new skills, connect with nature, and experience unique travel. Credit card points and frequent flyer miles are a powerful tool for free travel. Sign up for travel rewards credit cards, strategically earn points, and use them to book free flights. It's a smart way to travel the world without breaking the bank.